Welcome back to the channel. This is Altcoin Era. Hey friends, I'm still sick, so apologies for my raspy voice. I'm recovering and I know everyone's waiting for the road to 1000x part 4. It's coming, but let me recover. For the meantime, we're going to look over what's happened today and the news and events that are happening. TA fundamentals. Mt. Gox appears to have started repayments through PayPal. Bank account recipients are still waiting. We're still waiting for the Mt. Gox holders to be made whole again. Now, remember during the bear market, if you were around, the bears was using this as ammunition. And it turns out that they're not selling in crypto, they're selling in fiat. PayPal and bank account recipients are still waiting. I did say a long time ago that this is FUD. Bears had a tactic to scare people so they will get lower prices. Turns out it was complete FUD. I spoke about Mentis yesterday. Mentis L2 TVL is up 500% in the past 7 days. Mentis is by far the fastest growing L2 right now, and a 9-figure ecosystem fund is coming out in Q1. So watch out. Hard to be bearish in this ecosystem, and it is. And that's definitely an honorable mention. Another honorable mention is SIA. SIA is doing really well. It's outperforming a lot of coins at the moment, and it's just having a correction at the moment, and I think we still have some more upside to go for SIA. Another honorable mention that I have to mention, and it's definitely some alpha, is Neon. I've been holding Neon for a while, and literally Neon is honestly, hand of a heart, it's a beta play to Solana. Now if you're looking at Solana, it's overpriced in my opinion. It went up to $130. I bought Solana when it was at $15. As you can see, $15. I bought Solana around this time. It was a capitulation event where the SEC considered Solana as a security. And since then, it's pumped from here to there 700%. That's 7x. Now, my beta play was Neon. Now, I found Neon a little bit late. Sorry about my raspy voice again. I found Neon at around 30 cents. 30 cents exactly. And it went up 1,287%. That's a 12x. Now, let's compare the absolute bottom to the absolute top. Let's compare Solana from the absolute top, from the absolute bottom to the absolute top. And that's 15x. Let's look at Neon. From the absolute bottom to the absolute top, it's gone up 73x. It's literally a 10x, 20x, 30x play on Solana. Now this run is definitely not over, and Solana's run is definitely not over. I just feel that Solana is currently overvalued at the moment, and the market is getting ahead of itself. Now the market, it swings between greed and fear. BTC is currently at $43,421. It's up 2.1%. ETH is at $2,377 and it's up 6.6%. USDC is at $1. BNB is at $323. It's up 8.86%. USDC is at $1. Matic is at $1. It's up 3.01%. Solana is at $107 and it's down 4.86%. XRP is at 63 cents. It's up 2.5%. Cardano is at 63%. It's up 4.12%. AVAX is at $42.47. It's down 4.29%. Dogecoin is still at 9 cents It's up 2.49%. Polkadot is at $8.69. It's down 1.62%. Honorable mention to Chainlink. Chainlink is up a whopping 10.25%. That's $16.66. Congratulations to the Link Marines. Price targets. BTC is currently at $43,396. It's currently making higher lows and hitting resistance every single time. Now, if I zoom in, it's hit resistance 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 times. It's hit resistance 9 times. I think we're gonna break this resistance. Every time a resistance is hit, it becomes weaker and weaker. And as you can see, the lows are higher lows. As you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're heading higher. My target still stands at 48. But the most max pain that I can see markets head to is at 60K. I think we might hit 60K. This is going to be peak euphoria. It's going to be max pain. Ethereum is at $2,378, and it's made a massive wick, a massive candle. Like I said from yesterday's episode, that is why I completely rotated all my entire SOL holdings, all of my long-term holdings. I completely swapped it and sold it and bought ETH. I think ETH is still incredible, and it's getting a lot of hate at the moment. I think ETH is going to have a massive rally. I think we're going to pass this 2,500 resistance mark, and then we're going to head to 3,500. And then, if we're very lucky, maybe 5K. This is the BTC dominance, and it's broken the trend line. We're just completely nosediving right now into the 49-48% dominance range. It's just completely broken that trend line. This trend line that it held for 1 year, and now we're heading down. Like I said in the previous episode, I was right. Ethereum bounced on this line, and we're heading up higher. ETH BTC dominance. ETH BTC chart will completely change. I think ETH is gonna outperform Bitcoin. This is Bitcoin CME futures. We have a CME gap, which is interesting, at $54,000. That's our CME gap. It will be interesting if we get there and we close that gap at $54,000. A quick honorable mention is Arbitrum. Arbitrum is about to close down its all-time high. It's made a massive run up. This is the weekly chart. It's formed a double bottom, and now we're heading up higher. It's gained from the double bottom a staggering 93%, which is commendable. ADA is currently at 63 cents. It's still at struggle street. It's taking its sweet time. It's just consolidating before a massive leg up. Like I said in the earlier price targets, my price target still stands 88 cents for my first target, and my second target is $1.20. Mint layer, the road to 1,000x. Guys, I know you've been waiting for a part 4 series, but at the moment I've been ill, so have some patience, and I'm going to bring to you a good series of the road to 1,000x. My price targets still stand. This was, if you saw my previous episode, I cover mint layer in almost every episode, and I help you find entry levels and areas that you can also sell. This is not financial advice, but this is what I'm doing. I'm going to change it from the daily to the 4-hourly chart. Now, we've had a massive tear. Let me show you. We've had a massive tear since the last video I made literally yesterday. And we made a massive tear of 38%, which is incredible. If you want 100x, if you want 1000x, the price you pay is unfortunately volatility, and the coin will go up and down in extremes, but you have to be steadfast, be patient. This is the 4-hour chart. And I can see that we may be forming a cup and handle. So a cup and handle from here to here, as you can see here, cup and handle pattern, draws down, then smashes up. But it's still, we don't know at the moment, it's still early, but I can see a cup and handle forming, and we get to the previous all-time high at 66. My target is at 66. Sellers are exhausted. You can tell that the sellers are exhausted, and now buyers have taken control and stepped in. The probability is to the upside. We need to hit the 0.786 mark and form that as support. As you can see here, let me get rid of these indicators and marks. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a liquidity grab. This huge wick is a liquidity grab. So we need to head here and fill this liquidity. So once we do that, we can head up higher. Medium to short term is 52 cents. Next target in the short term is at 66 cents. FYI, this is not financial advice, but if you've missed this dip, I'll place orders at the 0.618 mark, which is currently stands at 42 cents. If you can grab it there, that's a steal. Anyway, guys, this is your boy, your friend, Ahmed. Thanks for watching. Please make sure you like, subscribe, share the content if you want to as well, and hit the bell notification button. I really appreciate every one of your support, every one of your views. Thank you very much. Have a good night. I'm gonna try recover. Peace.